Trützschler India was incorporated in the year 1977. In the year 1981, we started manufacturing the blow room machines. As you know, the first batch of these blow room machines are still running in the Indian market, and the customers are quite happy with the running of the machine. As the demand for cards started increasing, we started manufacturing the 1 meter card. Today, we manufacture the 1 meter card as well as the wider cards, along with draw frame, comber and lap former. Trützschler India also manufactures a wide range of Trützschler card clothing products in India. Trützschler India has a world state-of-the-art manufacturing plant, and this plant has some of the world's best technologies being used inside the factory. The factory is ISO certified, and we can proudly say that we are also certified in energy management system, that is ISO 50001-2018. The core competence of Trützschler India lies in the wide gambit of products that we have to serve to the Indian customers and the core competence of our employees.
As we all know that the backbone of the social development is education. Trützschler India has taken an initiative by setting up the Trützschler Training Academy in November 2017. This training academy offers 3 courses such as welder, CNC operator and fitter. Academy also focuses on the development of the life skill such as behavior, good manners and positive attitude. The aim of the academy is to equip the students with the advanced industrial training, develop the employable skill and thereby making them eligible for the employment. Trützschler India has also taken another initiative by sponsoring the 2 mobile science labs with the Agastya International Foundation. This science lab visits the schools, demonstrates the science program and creates the curiosity, creativity in the minds of the students.